Subscribe now. Apple made a splash in September 2017, with the launch of 3 new iPhones. Alongside the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, direct descendants of 2016's iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, the tech giant unveiled a brand new model called the iPhone X, to mark the 10-year anniversary of the first ever iPhone. Pronounced iPhone 10, like the Roman numeral it represents, the iPhone X featured a radical new edge-to-edge design, and a new Face ID security system to replace the long-established Touch ID fingerprint reader. But the new iPhone lineup has left many wondering what Apple plans to do this year, and whether there will ever be an iPhone 9. Here's what we know so far about Apple's plans for 2018. Having broken with its sequential naming convention in 2017, there is fierce debate about what Apple's next iPhones will be called. The successors to the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus could be called the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus, or perhaps even the iPhone 9 and 9 Plus. As for the successor to the iPhone X, some have suggested iPhone X's, iPhone 11, or perhaps the second-generation iPhone X. KGI Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who has a track record of leaking accurate information on Apple products, expects to see 3 new full-screen iPhone models in 2018. One will retain the design of the iPhone X, with a 5.8-inch OLED display. One will have a 6.5-inch OLED display, essentially making it a plus-sized version of the iPhone X. The third will have a 6.1-inch LCD display, making it more like a full-screen version of the iPhone 8 Plus. Kuo believes all 3 models will be equipped with the iPhone X's true depth camera system like the iPhone X, enabling features like Face ID and Animojis. This could potentially allow Apple to do away with its Touch ID fingerprint reader altogether, but it would be a controversial move, given the mixed reception Face ID has received so far. The new phones will almost certainly feature an upgraded chipset, which will almost certainly be called the A12, and will almost certainly offer performance and battery life improvements. They are also likely to be water-resistant and feature improved wireless charging technology, which will work over longer distances, although if Apple does decide to offer a metal model, this probably wouldn't be compatible with wireless charging. Apple is as regular as clockwork with its iPhone launches, meaning the next models will almost certainly be unveiled in the first 2 weeks of September 2018. The company tends to favor Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so if we were betting types, we'd put our money on either the 4th or 5th, or the 11th or 12th of September. Apple's 2018 iPhone models are unlikely to be significantly cheaper, but the company may try to keep them below the £1,000 mark, to avoid putting them too far out of customers' reach. If Kuo's prediction of a mid-range successor to the iPhone 8 Plus turns out to be true, this is likely to be in the £649 to £749 price range.